Hi guys, this is the help video. Um, the purpose of this help video is to clear all your doubts regarding the course registration. So right now I take a sample data and I used to log in with this. Some changes we can expect in the CAL registration, which is not similar to your previous registration options. Okay, right now I take on VIT student register number and I am going to log in. It is a test environment, so you people please don't panic about this registration. Suppose if it whether this data registration will affect this VIT 0002. This is only for the test environment. Okay, now I am going to click this login. So once you entered, that is after your login, it will list out the compulsory courses which is mandatory to register for this semester. For this register number, this is the compulsory course, that is it is a soft skill course, STS 3004 data structure and algorithms. So I am going to click register. If while I am clicking the register, it lists out the faculties and slots of the course. Suppose instead of clicking this register, if you click to view this course, it shows a list of faculty, various venues and various slots offered in this course. Okay, so now right now I had seen this course is offered in 2 slots, F1 plus TF1 and F2 plus TF2, and a faculty phase with the different venues. Okay, now I have to click go back. I am coming here and I registered this course. Without registering this course, I cannot go to my options. So I chose this one. I would like to register this course in the first floor since I can avoid the lift problems. Okay, so moreover, I would like to register in the F2 slot. So I am choosing here. After that, it is mandatory to choose the regular. If it is not, it asks you to select the option regular. So now I am clicking. It asks select the course option. That's mean it is mandatory to click over here, which that's mean you would like to register this course and which mode. So now I registered this. So this course was registered for me successfully. After that, here I am getting my option. Since this is a CAL student, the options are program core, program elective, university core and university elective. But for the phase 1 registration, only the program core and the university core is available. During phase 2 only, all these 4 options will be available. So I would like to register a course under the program core. And one more thing, earlier the status messages are displaying registered, not confirmed, or registered, confirmed. Many options were there. But this time it has been changed as only confirmed, registered. After that, if the class strength becomes 15, then only the course will be confirmed. That's why this kind of message is displaying here for your reference. Okay. Now I submit it. I would like to register a course ITE 1007. So the option is either by using this pagination, I can move from one page to another page or some other page. Okay. But here this course is not available. ITE 1007, and I feel that moving from one page to another page taking more time. So in that case, I may search with the course code. So here the course code is ITE 1007 and giving fine. So it shows the course not available. That's mean either the course may not be allocated, that is may not be scheduled, or the course is not available under this category. Actually, I have chosen the I had choose that program code. So now I go back. I would like to check whether the course is available in program elective. Okay, again here so many options which take more time for me. Sorry, it's available in the front page. Suppose if it is available in the last page, it takes some more and more time. In that case, I can choose the course code and type the code here. Then I can find it. ITE 1007 and I find this. So here it is available. So I should complete this CSC 1002. Then I can go to register. Again, this is a embedded theory and a project. Since the embedded project is a hidden course, I have to choose only the slot. I would like to register this thing under D2 because I already have registered that soft skill under F2. So I prefer to register all theory courses in the afternoon slots. So here it is regular and I can choose this register. So this course also registered. So right now I have registered for 5 credits. Then go back. The next course I would like to register in the ITE 1010. So here I am choosing ITE 1010. Then fine. So this course also available. So I can go for registration. So here fortunately it is available in the B2 slot. So I register this. Okay. After that I would like to register the course IDE 1011. So instead of go back so on, so here I may change it as IDE 1011. Then fine. This course also available. So I can register this course. Okay. Here this one is available in C1, so that no option for me. So I can register this in the morning slot. This to register. Again, I would like to find out the another course ITE 1016. So this kind of option makes me to register my course more fast. So here I come and here 2 different slots and 2 different faculties are available. So I'd like to register in the D2 slot and register. Okay. It shows one of my course already registered in the D2 slot, so that it is a clash. So right now I would like to see what are the courses registered by me. So here I am clicking and it lists the courses which is registered by me. Already I have registered object oriented analysis design in D2 slot, so that it shows a class. As well as you can see the timetable. Once you register course, immediately you can see your timetable. Whatever highlighted by the green is already occupied as well. So I can proceed, since I would like to register the same course, I can register in the morning slot. So here the course code is, either I can type the course code or the computer graph, sorry, it is available in the next page. So 10 mobile application development. I can register this in the D1 slot. I used to register. Okay. So now the clash was solved. Then I would like to register the course MGT 1021. So for that, I want to know whether the course has been scheduled or not. So 1021, I give fine. So in program elective, the course is not available. It may be available in the university elective or university core. So I can choose this university core and it is a course code, that is MGT 1021, and find this course is not available in university core. So now I will check in university elective. So I choose this option and I try to find that course. It is MGT 1021, sorry, 1021 and fine. So that course is not available in the university elective too. Anyway, I want to check whether it is scheduled in my program core. Why I am telling all these options? No? Sometime you may forget that during that registration, whether the course is a program core or program elective, something like that. So it's better you can try to find out in all categories. So that's mean the course MGT 1021 is not offered in the winter semester. So I cannot register that course. Okay. Then suppose I would like to a grade improvement, means I have to choose that category and I register. Already I have completed the discrete mathematical and graph theory. So if I click over the register, first it lists out the number of faculties and a list of faculties and different slots. So I would like to register that course in a A2 slot. So I click over here and it shows this is your grade improvement. Because already I completed the course, so I want to register it because I want to improve my grade in that course. So right now I can check it. So these are all my registered courses. And so far I have registered 21 credits. In phase 1 there is no restriction about the minimum credit. Only the maximum credit was implemented. This modify slot which will be useful to change the courses. See this course object oriented analysis I have registered in the D2 slot. I'd like to modify. Let us see if I click this modify, it's not possible to change because it is a embedded course, that is embedded theory and a project. In that case I cannot change the slots. If it is any theory only or lab only course only, I can modify the slot. In that case also it should be offered in multiple slots under different faculties. Through modify, either I can change the faculty or I can change the slot. So already I have registered under Professor Anjaneyulu in the slot A2. Right now I would like to move to the A1 slot under Professor Selvakumar. So I can choose this option and here I give update. So it shows it is updated. So I would like to check it whether is it updated or not. So I'm coming here and see this is my grade improvement course and the slot also changed, professor name also changed, in that timetable also it is reflected. Suppose that course is not offered in multiple slot, I cannot change, as well as the embedded component I cannot change. So again I would like to register some more courses. I'll come here university elective. That university elective contains all courses except my curriculum courses. So here I want to register the hospital management course. So I click the register. It shows it as a CBL, that is under a single professor, single slot. I can register this course and I register this. So in that case, if I come for modify slot and this hospital management, I click this modify. It doesn't show any option. That's mean the course is offered under a single slot as well as single faculty. So no option for me to modify. That's why that update button is not appearing here. So that I'm going back and I have registered so for 23 credits of the course. Again I would like to register one more course. I choose once again, it is a program elective and this time the course is ITE 5001 I want to register. So here I am typing it as a ITE. So now I select that code ITE 5001. So I am typing this ITE 5001 under program elective mode. So this is not available here. Actually that is my core course. So again I should go back and choose this program code, submit. So that ITE 5001 is available in these pages. So here I am finding this ITE 5001. And this course, sorry, course code, and this is ITE 5001. That course is not available. Again I go back and I find out in my program elective once again. That is ITE 5001. Here also it is not available. So that course is not offered. So I would like to register some other courses. So this cloud computing and virtualization. Luckily it is offered in 2 different slots but under one single faculty. So I choose the CF1. I make this course as a regular course for myself. So I have registered. So I reached my maximum credit. Anyway, I am trying to register one more course. For sample, I choose it as a big data analytics. Since I reach, the first message is I have got the S grade in that course. Already I have got S grade. Also, this cannot be offered as a grade improvement, so that it says it is already you completed this course and obtained the S grade. And I go with the software project management. Only one grade improvement is allowed. So already I have registered one. So I choose some other courses. Internet of Things I try to register. So in this case, I'm eligible to register that course, but I have reached the maximum credit. Hereafter, I cannot register any more courses. Either I can delete any registered course and then register a new course. Otherwise, I cannot. And let's move to this modify slot. That one course I have registered under a single faculty with two different options. Since it is an embedded component, once again I try it. F2 update. So F2 is clashing, and if I want to delete a course, I can delete except that compulsory course. So in this case, I'd like to delete the course computer graphics. So even though I selected a one category under that, it will be removed both theory and project. Really, I would like to remove this course from my registration. Okay, so this one shows it as a 23 credit. Now I can register some other courses. I would like to choose an university elective course. So in that I would like to study this bio-inspired design. I can go with G1 slot and a regular. Sorry, already I have registered in G1 slot. So I registered in the G2 slot. Right now there is no waiting list available here because 68 seats are vacant here, and here 50 are vacant. Once 50 students registered under this professor, then only this waiting list will be available. So I can register. It was registered successfully, and I have reached my maximum credit. I hope this video will help you much better to improve your registration this time. Suppose if you have any doubt or anything other than this, you are requested to contact your HOD to solve that issues, or if it is any petty issues, you are requested to contact your proctor. Have a happy registration. Bye.